Hello, my name is Alex, and I'm going to be telling you why you should program in Python in 2020. Now, this video is just a quick overview, and it starts my tutorial series and kind of what Python is. And if you're new to programming, this is a great place to start. Main reasons. There are around 8.2 million users using Python today from various sources around the internet. That's actually more than even some Java developers. It's become popular in machine learning, and it's obviously that's been a growing sector of study in the world of computer science. It's a simple language to use. So to do some very basic functions for anything from maybe skimming information off of files, like let's say if you want to go find certain numbers or words throughout a bunch of different files, really easy to do stuff like that. So for really basic things that might take you hours to do, it's really great to automate for really simple uses. There are a lot of programs that use it. Raspberry Pi, there's a lot of development opportunity there, using Python to interface to things in the outside world or in person. Also, Blender uses it. There are like some mods that use it. There's like Pygame if you're into game development. And there's just oodles. There's a lot of business software. It's used a lot in web applications as well. So you like YouTube, Google, New York Stock Exchanges will cover. But those are the main reasons. Software, as we said, Google search, YouTube, New York Stock Exchange, Blender, NASA, and physics and kind of the science world. There's also like MATLAB and a few other like kind of programming languages that they use to run simulations or tests. But Python is super popular and has a lot of support out there. In business applications, a lot of business applications. For instance, Python is great at interfacing with Excel and also maybe some SAP softwares as well. So it's really good for also professional development. And also there's like Pygame, and like I said with Blender, you can use that for media applications. Resources. There are tons of resources out there. Here, obviously, YouTube, which I'm working on starting a series. There's tons of wonderful tutorials out there. Books. I'll link a few of my favorite books related to Python down in the description. Blender tutorials, because the whole Blender community. The science community, like I said, if you're wanting to do stuff in the realm of science and programming. Raspberry Pi, once again, I'll put a link down to one of my favorite books. That's kind of actually how I got my start programming, was learning about a book with Python and Raspberry Pi back about 5-8 years ago. So that is about all for my video. More videos to come relating to a wonderful Python series that I'm working on starting up here on my channel.